What is the destiny number or expression number 7 in numerology about? In this video, first of all, I give you an idea what is the destiny number 7, and in the second part, I'm going to give you concrete career advice for you when you are at destiny number 7, or if you have someone in your friend circle, your relationships, your family with a destiny number 7. Comment your connection to the destiny number 7. Let's dive immediately into the destiny number 7. You are designed to be a reflective truth seeker who explores the secrets and mysteries of the universe. You feel very drawn to studying different religions, studying metaphysics, studying spirituality, studying different modalities. Researching, it's your jam, and this is what you're naturally very good in. It can feel by time that you're like a little investigator, and you're investigating different topics in your life that you are naturally curious about. Your curiosity is your strength, and your drive to explore the world will make you incredibly successful. Be open, trust that everything in your life is going to flow as you desire. Exploring will build on your self-confidence. As a destiny number 7, it might be that you struggle with trusting yourself, trusting the universe, but through exploration or even physical travel, you will build more and more confidence in your life. So keep exploring, deepen exploration and research in your life. You are here to find your spiritual truth, religions, or concepts. Let me know if you resonate with that in the comments. Your life mission as a destiny or expression number 7 is that you are here to reveal the answers to the big questions. Who am I? Where am I going? What is meaning of life? You're looking for purpose and meaning in your life, and you want to deeply understand yourself. This is your desire, and this is what you are destined as well to help others with. Help others with finding their purpose, finding meaning in their life, finding direction in their life when they are lost, because you know it from personal experience how it is for you when you feel lost in your life by times. You love self-reflection, you love your alone time, you are often in periods of your life in isolation. You love to work with your mind, and you're really good in working with your mind. You need to be aware of that overthinking is holding you back from sharing your insights. Sharing your insights is part of your life mission as a destiny number 7. It is important for you that you step during your lifetime into the teacher role. You research about a topic, and then you share it, you teach it. Research, teaching. Open up and share your findings and insights with the world. This is what you are most successful in doing. As concrete career tips on how you can make the most money in your life as a destiny number 7, you may be a talented researcher, research consultant, or as well you can be very successful in being an analyst, a consultant, a programmer. Every topic basically where you dive deep into and you learn, and then you practically use that knowledge in your day-to-day life is a very good career path for you. You are a gifted explorer, you are a gifted teacher. You could be a spiritual teacher, you can be a language teacher. Studying languages is as well obviously very good for the destiny number 7. You are destined to learn as much as you can this lifetime, and then to teach it to others, because you have that natural gift of making complex scenarios easy understandable for others. Let me know if you resonate with that. You need definitely a job where you work in a team, but where you have as well your own time to work on yourself. That's crucial for you. You are one of the smartest people when it comes to numerology, the 7. These are some of the smartest people with a brilliant mind. So use your mind for your career. You are very good in finding solutions. You're a solution finder. You could be as well. You could be a private investigator. You could be someone who truly finds solutions. You could be even finding solutions for businesses that are not working so well right now and consulting other companies to expand their profit again. You're a strategist. You love to build strategies. You are a strategic thinker and model thinker. Very good in focus, so you can do every job with a deep focus. So I recommend you to expand on these qualities, and you're going to attract a lot of money in your life. I thank you so much for being here, shedding your light into the Numiverse. You want to download your free Numerology handbook, which you find in the description or the comments, and dive deeper into the world of the number 7. Take a month to truly work with the number 7. We are right now in a collective year of the 7 as I record this video. So use that power of the number 7 to build a successful career, money, and overall being in alignment and in your life. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let's have a chat together, and I see you in the next one.